Judith and I'm going to show you how to do these fitness pancakes. First of all, I'm going to show you which ingredients we need. We need 1 egg, 1 banana, and no oats. We also need a blender and a Teflon casserole. The first thing that we have to do is to put 1 cup of oats into the blender. I think I'm going to use more because my cup is too small. Then we add the banana. And the egg. And liquefy. I forgot the milk, so we have to add a little bit. Liquefy it. If it gets with this consistency, add more oats. And liquefy. And we have to turn on the stove and heat the casserole. Add a little oil. And the mix. We have to move like this for the form. It was a little thick. I used a lot of oats, but we just turn it and finish. And this is how our delicious fitness hotcakes looks, and you can put honey or any sweetener and eat them. I'm going to use honey and apple. They are so good. Well, I hope you like this video. Please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.